The Samsung 32-inch flat computer monitor is designed for tech enthusiasts who need both professional-grade productivity tools and top-notch gaming features. This dual-purpose monitor offers a seamless blend between work efficiency and entertainment, catering to those looking for versatility without compromise. One standout feature of the Samsung 32-inch model is its three-sided borderless design. The absence of borders on all but one side creates an expansive visual experience that minimizes distractions in your workspace or gaming setup. This sleek look not only enhances aesthetics but also facilitates a smoother transition between multiple screens, making it ideal for multitasking environments where efficiency and clarity are paramount. At the heart of this monitor's performance is its AMD FreeSync technology. Designed to synchronize display refresh rates with frame rates from compatible graphics cards, this feature eliminates screen tearing, a common issue in fast-paced games or video content playback that can disrupt your gaming experience significantly. With no more interruptions during gameplay, everything moves smoothly for a flawless visual journey. The 75 Hz refresh rate is another key aspect of the Samsung monitor's performance capabilities. In scenarios where quick reflexes and sharp visuals are crucial, such as late-night coding sessions or intense marathon games, the high frame rates ensure that every detail remains clear even under demanding conditions, providing an edge in both productivity tasks requiring precision work and fast-paced gaming environments. For gamers seeking competitive advantages during play, the Samsung 32-inch monitor includes a specialized game mode. This feature optimizes color vibrancy with higher contrast levels to help spot enemies lurking within shadows or camouflaged backgrounds more easily than ever before. By enhancing visibility in these critical scenarios, it ensures that players have every advantage when facing off against opponents. In addition to its impressive performance features tailored towards gaming and professional use cases alike, the Samsung 32-inch flat computer monitor also prioritizes user comfort through built-in eye care technologies such as flicker-free technology. This feature stabilizes screen flickers known for causing strain during prolonged viewing sessions or marathon game plays by reducing visual fatigue over time without sacrificing image quality. Another notable aspect of its design is Eye Saver mode, which reduces blue light emission, a factor often associated with increased risk of eye damage from extended exposure to digital screens. By minimizing the harmful effects while preserving necessary brightness levels for comfortable use throughout long hours at work or during gaming sessions alike, this mode ensures users can maintain productivity and enjoyment without compromising on health. Before making a purchase decision based solely upon initial appeal alone, it's crucial to verify compatibility with your current system setup alongside connectivity options directly from Amazon's product page. Ensuring that the Samsung 32-inch flat computer monitor fits seamlessly into existing configurations will save potential buyers unnecessary headaches later down the line while ensuring they enjoy full functionality right out of the box. At $149.99, this versatile monitor offers excellent value for those looking to upgrade their workspace or gaming setup with a device capable enough to handle both professional and recreational needs effortlessly yet affordably within budget constraints today, rather than just relying on initial appeal alone before making that final decision based truly what suits best in terms of compatibility requirements alongside performance demands.